Today we have a 2009 Honda CR-V. We'll be replacing the AC compressor right here. So pretty simple. Obviously there's going to be a cover here you want to remove first, which I've already done, held in by a bunch of little clips around it. Once we do that, we're going to go ahead and just remove the belt from the compressor here. So with the 14mm wrench or whatever you want to use, we're going to go up there to the tensioner and pretty much just push forward and remove the belt, and then we'll go ahead and unplug this here, as well as remove the AC lines. Number 10, one here, and then one right above. If you follow the other one, it should be right there. So we'll go ahead and remove those lines, remove the belt, unplug it, and get ready to remove the AC compressor. Okay guys, so now with the lines removed, connector unplugged, we're just going to remove 4 12mm bolts, 2 at the bottom, 2 at the top as you can see. We're going to go ahead and remove those 4 bolts and slip it out through here. We might have to remove this 10 here just to kind of help the transmission cooler line, just kind of push out the way, but I believe we can just slip it right here. So let's get those 4 bolts removed and get this compressor slipped out. So my 4 bolts have been removed. We're just going to pull it out and kind of slip it through here in between the subframe and the frame of the vehicle. Just an FYI, the 4 bolts, 2 will be shorter than the other, 2 will be longer, 2 longer ones go on top, 2 shorter ones on the bottom. So right now it's just kind of stuck on the, I believe there's like some studs or something right there, or some guide pins. So we're just gonna pop it out and slip this out. All right guys, so the old compressor is removed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the new one in, but before you do so, be sure to change these O-rings here. I see a lot of people don't do that, and then they come back leaking. So just be sure to change them, make sure they have a nice lip around them. So go ahead and install the new one. Remember the 2 long bolts, 2 short bolts, bolt it all down, and pretty much just fully install this and we'll be almost done. Alright guys, so everything is now installed, including the belt over here. Let's do the reverse of taking it off. So all we gotta do now is put this cover back on, backing down the system and charge it up. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.